So hi guys, I got another iPhone video for you, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you get free ringtones to your jailbroken iPhone. First, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna open up Cydia, and then you wanna go for sections right there, and go down to ringtones right there. Okay, then you see it's 3,000 different ringtones, and it's not all the songs in the world, but you can. I hope you can find anyone that you like. Okay, and it's not the whole song; it's just like 30 seconds or 20 seconds of the song. So we can choose this one. Install it. Then when it's installed, you just want to return to Cydia. Okay. Then I choose the what you want from me. As you know, and you want to go for settings, sounds, ringtone, and we can see. See, here I remembered what you want from me. You can just select the song. And you hear that it's the right song. And now we got it as a ringtone, and it's selected, and if someone calls you, it will be played. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, rate and comment this video. Most of all, please subscribe, because it will really help me to get noticed on YouTube. And if you want me to keep making iPhone videos, tutorials, please leave a comment and tell me, because it would really help me if you like the videos that I do. And if you want me to do a Black Ops montage, well, if we get this video to 20 likes, I'm gonna make a Black Ops montage, okay? So hope you enjoyed it, and bye bye guys. So that was it for today, and bye bye.